Hey, what's going on YouTube? Jangle31793 here, giving a complete walk around of my 18 Camry. I've been getting a lot of compliments. I've been getting a lot of hate. Been showing a little teaser videos here and there. I basically got this, believe it or not, I was the first person on Long Island to, Long Island, New York, purchase a XSE V6 Camry. And I bought it from Sunrise Toyota North, Middle Island, and they had it for 4 hours. I had a 14 XSE V6. Yes, they did make an XSE version. And I traded it in for this. I brought it in for an oil change. They had this in the showroom. I said, you wanna know what? Don't even bother. I want this. So I had it for a year, bone stock, didn't do much to it. And then brought it to a car show, got a lot of hits. And then, you know, people were asking me, oh, you know, you should put better wheels on it, you should lower it, do this and that. Nah, I'm gonna keep it stock. But then, you know, one thing led to another. And about a year in the build, and I'd like to say I'm happy with how it turned out. I really don't have much else to do. Didn't really want to do too much performance for the warranty. Didn't really want to start, you know, messing with the body panels and everything like that. Everything that I've done to this can be reverted to stock for the most part. I would say 90% of it can be reverted to stock. Anyways, enough with me talking. Let me give you the complete walk around. So like I said, XSE V6 Camry. It is wind chill pearl. It is not brilliant white. You could only get the pearl if you get the XLE or the XSE V6. It's really nice paint. Depending on the light you look at it, looks like a pearl. Now it's more of a bright white in the direct sunlight. At nighttime you really get that dark pearl. Looks really nice with a little bit of luster in it. As you can see, the front end beefed it up a little bit. License plate delete. I got the TRD license plate with the neochrome spikes. Keep that in mind. I am a sucker for neochrome. I love everything chameleon. Again, the lower lip brace. We got a carbon fiber lip. And then we got a plastic lip under it because I ordered this white lip painted factory to match. I got it on eBay. It was about $100. I would give it like a 9 out of 10 as far as match, because when you're looking at the car like this, you really cannot tell that it is not perfectly matched. But when you get up close, you could actually see that that's that brilliant white that I was talking about that you get with the 4 cylinders and the lower base models. This is that pearl, that beautiful pearl, as you can see. Don't mind my dog in the background. Anyways, so yeah, I got this lower lip from eBay, and then I had the carbon lip on top, and there was a gap, about a 1-inch gap, and I really didn't like it because the lip would kind of be up like that. So I wanted the lip to look more flush, more of a right angle with the bumper. Before it was way up, but now it's a lot more flat. And definitely gave it a beefier look. I see a lot of people online, they do the black carbon fiber, not the black carbon fiber, just a gloss black here, and they'll gloss black this. But I like to keep it, you know, it's a beautiful paint. You're probably wondering what these things are. Yeah, between you and I, keep a little secret. Believe it or not, exactly those 2 spots, I have paint chips. Driving fucking behind tractor trailers and not, and I put one right there, and then a week later, I put that one there to cover it. And you wouldn't believe this thing was freaking huge. Huge, but you wanna know what? You cover it up, and if you're driving past or you're looking at it, you wouldn't think twice, you know, just a little accent. Later on, probably during the summer, I'm gonna get it touch up paint. I tried doing it myself, it came out like shit, but All right. Oh, another thing, 20% windshield. It looks a lot lighter than it is because it's direct sunlight. But once you get the side profile, you really see how that dark 5% limo tint makes everything super black. Now, a lot of people were hating on me because this came with gloss black 19-inch wheels, and I said fuck it, and I dropped it down to 18s. And a lot of people say, why would you do that? Because right now I have it on coils. Actually, I shouldn't lie, I don't really have it on coils. I have Megan struts with Eibach lowering springs. I saw someone else on YouTube. I'm not really sure who it is. If I find out, I'll put it in the description. But I have about, I'd say, 2.2-inch drop in the back, about 1.7 in the front. But overall, the whole chassis, everything is lowered from that. I got these 18-inch non-staggered. I got these in Queens, New York, and they have this beautiful inner red lip. I got these TRD brakes, no slotted rotors or anything, non-ceramics, just the calipers. Neochrome again, spiked lugs, and not running aggressive at all with the fitment. You could see there's plenty of room for, you know, I'm not going to be rubbing at all with this. And you could see I got that gap here, and then in the back I have a little bit more, only because I have the subwoofers in the back and they weigh heavy as shit. We'll get to that soon. But again, limo tint, carbon fiber side mirrors, carbon fiber louvers. Up top we have panoramic glass. And this I thought was really interesting. I got this rear windshield diffuser online. I thought this thing looks sick. Looks kind of like a Doberman or a Batmobile. But it really, I mean, it flows, the body line flows perfect with it. A lot of people, they just have that cheap eBay, you know, universal JDM lip, which I had on this when I first got it, but then when I saw this, I was like, holy shit, I gotta get it. And of course, it's gloss black to make it look uniform with the glass on top. And on the side, I've been waiting forever for this. I had the original, everyone's had it before, the easy lip on the side, and man, that thing looked corny, tacky, cheap. I went ahead and I got this carbon fiber. This is actually made for the Camrys. Uniform, gloss, looks really beautiful. Gives it that nice little gap fill, and it's got that nice little gold, matte gold Toyota. Again, brakes. When I ordered these wheels, they had center caps in them, but they were just silver. Didn't say anything on them. I actually got these TRD covers online, super cheap. They're like 20 bucks, but I actually had them on all my Camrys. Definitely, you know, give it a little, you know, it's all about the details. So we come in the back. I took off the stock spoiler. I went ahead and I put this gloss black. It actually even has a little luster on it. I didn't go duckbill because I thought that was a little obnoxious. This apparently is it's called a BMW M4 style. And fucking, of course, when you go aftermarket, you never get that perfect fit. So what I actually had to do is, if you could see, I did this carbon fiber vinyl wrap because I had like wear marks from the stock spoiler on it. So when I took that off, it was all scratched up from, you know, when you get sand and dirt and everything from when you wash your car. So I actually carbon wrapped. It's a little, I'm telling you, it's like a half an inch. You can't really see, but Again, neochrome logo. Not as neochrome as the TRD, but I thought this thing was fucking awesome. Look at that. Matches the lugs on the sides. And everyone always hates, oh, is that a real TRD? Is that a real TRD? Let me tell you, listen, it's a car, all right? It's, who cares? Make it your own, you know what I'm saying? I love haters, personally, but, I mean, obviously it's not a real TRD. They don't make a real TRD, but what I've done to this car is actually above and beyond. I just got back from the new NYC Auto Show, and I saw that new 2020 TRD. Pfft, ain't got nothing on this. Ain't got nothing. That's a whole different video, but anyways, went ahead, did the stainless Camry. That was just regular plastic when I got it. Did stainless. Oh, again, debadged carbon fiber wrap. I think I like, I'm more of a simple guy. I mean, if I wanted to, I could just completely take off the T, the Camry, make it really, really simple, but I didn't like how it said Camry up there. It says it here, it looks real nice. Carbon, I'm a sucker for carbon fiber, and I'm a sucker for neochrome. You're gonna notice that all around the car. Down here, the reflectors. I wrapped the reflectors in carbon fiber, and then I got a trim to go around it that was chrome, but I hate chrome. I hate chrome with a passion. So I went ahead and I painted them semi-gloss black, and I put them around just to give it a little more beef. No lower diffuser. They sell like 10 different kinds. I didn't like it because I don't want to go too beefy on the back. I mean, as it is, see, my whole idea behind this car is I want it to look really beefy from the front, really beefy from the back, and then I want it to look subtle, classy, sporty from the side. So you could see it's sitting a nice profile, definitely lower than stock. When I had my 19s on it, I mean, I was rubbing like crazy. But you're gonna get a better look at these now because you're not in the direct sunlight.
I just lost my Dalmatian.
Oh.
He's a puppy.
Oh.
So if you see a Dalmatian, I'm on 7. You know where the horses are and the goats?
Yeah.
I'm right over there.
All right, yeah, definitely.
I just lost it right this minute, so he must be like around in there.
All right, yeah, definitely. If I see him, I'll...
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. That was a little random. Dalmatian, that's a cool dog. That's... that thing's definitely gonna stick out like a sore thumb. Oh, if you hear any barking in the video, that's my security dog. I have a Doberman Pinscher. But yeah, again, and I love the body lines on this car. It's really, really nice. So that pretty much sums it up for the outside. I'll just do one more quick walk around just so you can see. And then my next video, I'm gonna be doing a complete walk around with the interior. And I'm no professional photographer or videographer. This is just straight iPhone, but yeah. If you like the video, you got any questions where I got anything, if you want to hate, please hate. I love haters. And listen, this thing, the camera doesn't do justice for 2 reasons. A, this thing in person looks fucking awesome. And B, yes, I have a few tiny little chips on the lower lip. You know, I got a couple of surface scratches from going through a fucking automatic car wash, which I'll never do again. You know, I got some curb rash here and there on the wheels. But you wanna know what? It gives the hater something to talk about, you know? But overall, I love this thing. It's a great car. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, hate. And I'm gonna be coming out with a interior video soon, an exhaust video, a sound system video, and then a driving video. So stay tuned. Jangle 31793.